For us to understand how the world is almost expecting its first trillionaire, we need to take a look at how life was 100 years ago. John D. Rockefeller. He was one of the first industry titans who had his net worth in the billions since the Industrial Revolution. Not at any one time had it ever been thought that one individual could amass so much wealth. He was able to do so through strategizing his steps in the oil business. When other companies were drilling for oil, he chose to refine it, and as time went on, he bought up more refineries, which led to the formation of the Standard Oil Company. For you to be a billionaire, you will have to make 1,000 times. In the 1900s, the United States had a record number of 4,000 millionaires. Currently, there are 36 million millionaires across the globe according to the latest report by Credit Suisse, and a record of 2,750 billionaires, and the number is still growing. How the wealth is spread. To begin with, the United States leads with a record number of 680 billionaires, China on the other hand has 388 billionaires, and India 117. It seems some regions in the world are best suited for conducting business. In the United States, most billionaires are concentrated around the tech business and the financial sector. 1 in 20 Americans is a millionaire. In Monaco, 1 in 56 people has net worth of $30 million. Sooner or later, if your net worth will not be in the billions, you will be considered poor, but there is a catch to it. Right now, ways and means combined with the information floating in the internet, in books and through networking on social media is massive, and so a large number of the population has a shot at becoming millionaires. To be among the top 1%, you need to be making $430,000 per year, and to be among the 1% of the 1%, you need to be making $12 million per year. With the devaluation of currencies due to the spending power of this individuals and the rise in world's population, we are soon going to have very huge gap in inequality, with the first trillionaire expected to come between the year 2040 and 2045. Do you feel you got what it takes to be a billionaire or even a millionaire? Let me know in the comments section, and what problems would you solve to be in the top 1%? If you've learned something, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video.